So as you can see, guys, I just deposited $10 in this my flipping account. And what am I going to be doing here? I just want to share with you for those who use mobile, because I got a lot of questions about how to trade with just mobile, because most of the videos I do recently is I do them with laptop, right? But now I'm going to share with you how you can easily identify trend and even take a setup using your phone. Okay, so instead of me just coming to say something and just go, I am going to practicalize. That's why I have to fund $10, okay, just to show you how you can actually do this. And not just that, this is a practical way of trading. This is not just flipping video, trying your luck and all those things. It is a clear practical way of trading, where you identify the trend, you look for a particular pattern you are going to be trading, and you make your entry, set your stop loss properly and your TP properly. So it's not like you are going to be flipping. If you blow it, you blow it, or you all this kind of stuff. So it's going to be practical and something you can apply or you can actually replicate. Okay, so now I'm going to be placing 2 trades, then I will explain why I placed the trade. Okay, so I already have measured my risk. So if I'm taking the lowest loss, I use 0.5 on this particular account. If I check my stop loss level, because I'm going to be placing my stop loss above there, so if my stop loss level should be about $4 plus, okay, that means I can place 2 trades comfortably on this particular account. Okay, so now you can see I have, let me confirm, I have 2 trades running right now. So I'm definitely going to be setting my stop loss above here. Okay, and my TP, I'm going for 2 times of the account. All right, just for the tutorial sake. Okay, if you can actually do more than that. Okay, I'm risking $4 on average, so I'm just going for $8. Okay, let me just put it at $9. So my SL, sorry, my SL should be above here. Let me just increase this so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. My SL is here, and my TP is going to be $8 plus. Let's keep it at $9 for each of the trade. For each of the trade. So I'm going to do the same thing to the second trade. Now I'm done. So what I'm expecting from this particular trade, if the price does goes my way, if price hits my TP, I'm going to be making about $18 plus. So this account should be sitting at $28, okay, from $10. So that's exactly what I'm looking forward for, getting. So let me explain how this strategy works. It's simple. Now, all you have to do is to first of all set up 2 indicators, which is going to be 2 moving averages. So let's go to indicator setting, which you can see right here. Let me see if I can point it. So this particular place where you have something like F is your indicator settings. Then I have the first moving average as moving average 50. You can see the setup. Okay, so the only thing you have to check here is the time frame. So make sure you just select only 1 minute, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, and 1 hour. In fact, what we are using mostly is just 30 minutes and 1 hour. Okay, so now when you are done, okay, you click on done. Then the second moving average we are going to be using is same moving average, but in this case we are going to be using moving average 200. So all we are using this moving averages to do is to identify trend. So we are going to be selecting 1 hour, 4 hours, and daily. So the moving average 200 is going to help us for a higher time frame trend. Okay, we want to see the long-term trend, while the 50 moving average is going to help us to check the immediate trend and possible entries. Okay, so now if you go to 4 hours time frame, for instance, okay, you can see that this particular moving average that you can see here, the yellow one, is above here. So once the moving average on a higher time frame, the 200 moving average on a higher time frame is above your chart, okay, just know that the candlesticks, once it's above the candlesticks, just know that we are trending to the downside. Okay, the overall trend is down. Okay, then you go to 30 minutes time frame, okay, because you can't be taking trades on that higher time frame based on your account size, because we are using a very small account. Now if you go to 30 minutes time frame, all you want to see, okay, is a particular pattern forming near your moving average, and the moving average serving as resistance or support at that point. I want you to understand this. That your moving average, okay, should be serving as support. Let's say you identify a trend and the trend is down, okay. Let's say the trend is down, okay. That means you are going to be looking for selling opportunities. Then you go to the lower time frame, which is 30 minutes time frame, and you want to identify a particular price action where your 50 moving average, okay, is serving as resistance, because you want to sell, right? You want to make sure that you have seen where your low, the 50 moving average serving as resistance. Then you are going to be taking a trade based on the pattern the price is creating. So if you look at here, the price use this moving average here, that 50 moving average, as resistance and created double top, okay. So this double top that the price created is a reversal pattern to the downside. So because of that, I'm expecting that the price is going to drop further towards this level, okay. So that's basically it. No complications, no too much analysis. First, identify your higher time frame trend, okay, using the moving average 200 on 4 hours time frame. Come down to 30 minutes time frame and identify a resistance, okay. If you are selling, for instance, you look for a place where the 50 moving average is serving as resistance, then take your sell. All right, place your stop loss above the moving average and go for 1:2, 1:3, depending on your risk management pattern. All right, so that's basically it. If you are buying, the same thing, go to 4 hours time frame, identify an uptrend, then come to 30 minutes time frame and see where the moving average is serving as support. Then look at any pattern that the price is creating, a reversal pattern towards the upward side, and take your buy. As simple as ABC. I'm still going to share with you the outcome of this particular trade, whether it's going to hit our TP or we are going to hit our stop loss. But regardless, this is simple strategy you can use on your mobile. So guys, as you can see right here, the price is actually doing exactly what we want. So we are hitting our TP live, okay. Look at the whole thing. I told you guys we are targeting $18. We are more than that, and the price have closed in profit. So you can also check out my deposits, okay, and how the price just played out. So that's basically it. I hope this is helpful. I'll see you guys in the next one.